Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you saw the title, you know that we are unboxing the monthly subscription boxes that I do get in addition to my BoxyCharm and FabFitFun boxes. These three I have received before, but usually later on in the month, and this month they actually arrived pretty early. So I thought we would go through it. I have Ipsy, Glossybox, and Sephora Play. And I've been receiving them for quite some time. Like I said, I haven't been receiving them in time to do a video, and I don't want to do it too late in the month because then it's like, what was the point, right? As far as the subscriptions are concerned, I will put the information down below concerning how much they are and how often you get them. Okay, so first we'll start with my Ipsy bag. This is usually what it comes in, just a pink bubbler, just a pink bubble package. And then on the inside, there is a card with the information, and each month there's a different style bag. So this bag is for February and it's got the pink lips on it. So for Ipsy, it's $10 a month, and you actually answer a questionnaire, and based off of your answers is what they choose for you. Now, sometimes it's hit or miss, it just depends. But I'm always intrigued to find out what they're sending me, and then they're not full-size products, they're sample-size products. You can go online and see what they're going to send you, or you can be surprised and wait until you receive your package to find out what you got. So the first item in there is the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation. This is in the shade NC30. It's not my shade. I've been using the Studio Fix powder for years, and I am in the shade NW15? I'm actually in the shade NW20. So this is the shade that I've obviously used this a lot, and I obviously love it. They're not very similar. This is more on the yellow side, whereas this is more on the peachy side. This is more on the peachy side. So I probably won't use this one. I will probably pass it on to a friend. The next thing we have in here is the Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster. This is from Seraphine Botanicals. Their products are from plant-based, fair trade, sustainable sourced ingredients, highly pigmented highlighter. It's made with natural daisy flower extract and jojoba seed oil to nourish and hydrate your skin, plus micronized luminizing pigments give you a natural looking glow. So that is the shade right there. It's kind of it looks like a rose gold type of highlighter. So that is it right there. I'm really excited to try this out. I will probably use it in one of my next videos. So the next item in here is from The Balm. This is the Alternative Rock Volume 1 eyeshadow in Take It For Granted. That is a really pretty, like, lilac-y color. Ooh, it's so buttery and smooth. It's kind of silvery with purple undertones. I don't think I've actually ever used an eyeshadow from The Balm, but I'm interested to try this out. Next in here, ooh, I've been wanting to try this for a while. This is the Pixi Skin Treats Glow Tonic. I've wanted to try this for quite some time, but I have other samples, so I haven't gone and purchased it. It is made with aloe vera to soothe, ginseng to help circulation, and glycolic acid to exfoliate. So this is supposed to be after you clean your face, you put it on kind of like a toner. So I'm really excited to try this. Use AM and PM or as needed. Now I don't have an excuse. I can try it out because I received it in my Ipsy Glam bag. And the last item in here, this is the Laritzi Cosmetics Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Curve. So all their products are cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, and made without parabens or phthalates. So they're not harmful to you or animals. Oh, it is my shade of mauve. Okay, so those are the 5 things that I received in my Ipsy Glam bag for February. There are 4 things in here that I've never tried, 1 that I will pass on to a friend. So all in all, for 10 bucks, I think I made out pretty good for this bag. Okay, so the next one we have is the Play by Sephora. So in here, it actually comes with an information sheet. It also gives you 50 beauty insider points for a purchase that you make in store on top of whatever you would have gotten. Now, this is not a small sheet by any means. So it's got this information, mix your love potion, and then on the inside it tells you a little bit about each product that you're receiving. So it comes in this little bag and it tells you which end to open, but mine was already open because in travel. All right, so the first thing in here, okay, I think I've tried this out before. This is the Kat Von D Saint and Sinner perfumes. So you have two different ones. So Saint is dreamy, romantic, alluring, and then Sinner is dark, sultry, and empowering. There are two sides in all of us. So the pamphlet actually says it's a bonus for this month. So for Saint, the fragrance family is floral, top notes mandarin, middle notes are jasmine and vanilla, and then the base notes are creamy musk. For Sinner, the fragrance family is warm and spicy, top notes orange blossom, middle notes cinnamon and white floral, and then base notes are plum. That smells pretty good. I might like that one. I don't know that this one's my favorite. All right, so the next item in here is the Clinique Moisture Surge. It is a 72-hour auto replenishing hydrator. This is for all skin types. I've used this before, especially in the winter. Like, this is my go-to. I will put it on before I go to bed. I will put it on when I wake up, but it's just a little mini sample of it. But this, for the winter, when your skin is like super parched because it's so dried out and wind has like beat it up, this right here. I like this because it's not super thick. And because it's in the gel form, it's better in my oily areas and it doesn't like make my makeup slick off. The next item in here is the Caudalie Vino Perfect Radiance Serum. I've actually used a couple products from Caudalie, but I don't think I've tried this before. It's an oil-free brightening serum that visibly evens skin tone. So apply morning and evening before your moisturizer. So I can put this on and then use this afterwards. Okay, so the next item in here is the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I love a good eye mask. I actually used one today, but these are, it's a set of gold foil eye masks that brighten and hydrate the skin. So if you look at the picture of it, it's actually gold foil. This is one of my favorite Sephora play boxes so far, just because I've gotten a lot of good products in here. Play by Sephora is a $10 monthly subscription box, and you get 4 to 5 sample to full size products. This month they actually put an additional one in for Valentine's Day, which I'll take it. So this is the Clinique Quick Liner. I don't think I haven't tried this one before, but I always like a good eyeliner for the waterline. Ooh, that is pigmented. Now, if it lasts all day, that is the true test. Because the eyeliner that I'm using on my waterline, which I've been using for the last year, I am loving because I can put it on in the morning and it'll be there at 10 o'clock at night. Okay, so the last item in here is the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick. This is in the shade Saki. I always love these, like this like soft velvety velour like packaging. Oh, I love it. And it's got like a lemon scent. Oh, this is my color. Like this mauve. That is beautiful. And it's so small it's gonna fit in my pocket in my uniform. Perfect. So I'm excited to try this out. I love Bite Beauty. So this is a high impact lipstick in a rich dusty mauve color with a soft creamy texture. Okay, so our last subscription is from Glossybox. This is $21 a month and you get like 4 or 5 full-size products. So it always comes in a really cute little box. This one's, it's all about love. And I love these because I will re-keep them, or I keep these and I reuse them. So when you open it up, you have the same size pamphlet as Sephora, and it has information in there about the items that are in your box. Okay, so this little card is telling us that one of the items that they planned on putting in the box, there was a delay with the shipper, so they ended up putting in a different item in its place, but I'm assuming that it's on this card, so they're just letting you know what happened. And then it's always tied with this little bow, and it's got this little sticker on here to keep it closed. So let's go ahead and undo this. So this, like I said, is freaking huge. Okay, so it has all the different items in here that we're supposed to be receiving. And then you open it up and it's just like a little present. Like there's the little, you know, whatever that is. But I know that it makes a mess if my cat gets into it. All right, so the first item we have in here is Dr. Botanical's Pomegranate Superfood Brightening Eye Serum. Okay, so I've got to use this quickly. It says, Our products are fresh. Please use within 3 months after opening. Okay, usually you got like 6 months, 12 months, 3 months. Okay, guess I'm not opening it to smell it. This is also vegan, cruelty-free, and 100% natural. It's supposed to smooth and brighten the skin. It hones the properties of pomegranate extract and raspberry seed oil. The antioxidants from the extract creates a radiant-looking eye area, while the fatty acids and vitamin E of the oil moisturizes and protects skin. The next item in here is the Kenra Shaping Spray Extra Firm Hold Hairspray. This is perfect for travel. Like, I always like having a travel size hairspray because I don't want to have to carry the huge bottle of Moroccan oil hairspray that I have. So I will be trying this out and saving it. I might actually save this for my next trip. The next item in here, oh, there's two. This is the Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch Invisible Plus. Oh, it's a blemish hero. You see that right there? So it says blemishes don't just happen at night. Mighty Patch Invisible is a super thin hydrocolloid patch that's barely noticeable. It extracts impurities, camouflages blemishes, and helps heal your skin. Whether you're at work, school, or on the dance floor, feel confident with Invisible Plus. Get out there and be mighty. There's 6 patches in here and we have 2. So this is the Manic Hadar Beauty eyeshadow duo. This is in Aphrodite and Nemesis. You have these 2 shades in there. One looks like a rose gold and then a taupey brown. Okay, those are pretty. 2 shimmer colors. I'm gonna have to use a different eyeshadow palette with this. Okay, so next we have the Proenza Scholler Arizona perfume. You know what I just realized? There's prices on here for the size that they put in there and I forgot. So the Dr. Botanicals is 15 ml, it's $19. For the Proenza Scholler, so for this perfume it is $28 and there's 9 ml in here. For the Hero Cosmetics Mighty Patch, they are $5. Ooh, that's really nice. So this has scents of white cactus flower, jasmine, and orange flower. Okay, so the last item that we have in here is from Skin Chemist London, Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. I don't like lip plumpers. It's supposed to be $32. It is 8 mils. Okay, so that is everything that I received in my Ipsy Glam Bag, Play by Sephora, and my Glossybox. I'm actually really excited about some of the items that I received in here, like that eyeliner, the Pixi by Petra Glow Tonic. I'm really excited to try this because I've wanted to for a little while now. The eyeshadow from the Balm, the highlighter, and the Amuse Bouche lipstick from Bite Beauty. That is a really pretty color. Some of the other stuff, maybe not so much that I'm super excited about. Maybe like this one I've already tried before, so I know that I like it. The Sinner perfume, not so much. But other than that, like, I received quite a few samples that I really like. Some of these will end up in the next full face of samples that I do. Well, you guys, that's it for this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon for notifications of new videos, which come out 3 times a week. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. It lets me know that you like this type of content, and I will keep putting that content out. And until next time, you guys, bye, and I'll see you in my next video.